Simulink, developed by MathWorks, is a graphical programming environment for modeling, simulating, analyzing multi-domain dynamical systems, automatic controlling, and digital signal processing. Simulink supports system-level design, simulation, automatic code generation, and continuous test and verification of embedded systems. It provides a graphical editor, customizable block libraries, and solvers for modeling and simulating dynamic systems. Simulink is integrated with MATLAB, enabling you to incorporate MATLAB algorithms into models and export simulation results to MATLAB for future analysis. MATLAB Simulink tutorial is a comprehensive course with numerous practical examples to make you expert in the Simulink. In this course, you will learn solving mathematical equations, multiple modeling of systems, controlling subjects in the Simulink, and simulation of continuous, discrete, and hybrid systems. Stay with us and enjoy programming.